we're going to be talking about value added tax. So you are not supposed to pay VAT from your profits. Your customers are, right? But if you don't charge, collect, and remit VAT properly, the government will still come for you. Let's actually break it down on how VAT works. Now, VAT is value added tax, currently at 7.5%. It has not changed. So it's actually charged on the supply of goods and services in Nigeria, except those specifically exempted by law. All right. Now let's look at the under section 90 to 113 of the Nigerian Tax Act 2025. VAT is a consumption tax. I mean, the final consumers pays it. The same way you go to supermarket and you buy something and you see at the downside, VAT, value added tax, you said they pay them. So why you know they collect them for your clients? Now, business owners and brands are the collectors and they are the remitters. So not the one you bear the cost. Now, let me break it down. Let's assume that you sell this scissors, right? This scissors is 500 naira. Your own duty is to put 7.5% or 500 naira. How much is that? Press your calculator. Now, that is the total amount your customers are supposed to pay, not you paying extra for it. Your customers pay that. While you are the remitters, you pay it back to the government. Now, who needs to charge or file for VAT, which is the value added tax, right? Traders, wholesalers, freelancers, service provider, like designers, photographers. So business owners selling physical or digital product. It doesn't matter whether your product is physical or digital, you are expected to charge for VAT. Now, influencers who also charge for digital services. You are selling online course, but when you're online course seller, you are also expected to pay VAT, to charge VAT for it. So now, if you supply taxable goods or services and you earn like 25 million or more annually, you must register for VAT. If you earn less than 25 million naira, you still may be required to file VAT, even nil returns. You can file at nil. Now, how VAT really works in your business. Now, VAT is collected from your customers, like I've explained before. Then you remit it to FIRS the next month. Example, you sell a service for 100,000 naira. I already gave you an example on how to calculate. VAT is 7.5, which is 7,500. The total money your customer pays 107,500, right? You have to keep 100,000 naira as your own revenue and remit 7,500 to FIRS. That is how we've been doing it. Now, VAT does not eat into your profit when you do it right. It doesn't have to eat into your profit. You just have to know what you're calculating for. There are some items that are exempt or zero rated, right, in the new tax law. Now, exempt from VAT, exempt from VAT means that no tax charges, and it includes basic food items, medical or pharmaceuticals. If you are you sell drugs and all that. Baby products, yes, you are not. If you are selling baby products, you are not expected to charge for VAT. Now, books and educational materials. If you are selling books or educational materials, you are not expected to pay for VAT. Tuition, your school fees. You dey Unilag, you are not supposed to pay VAT. Unilag is not expected to charge you for VAT. Now, what are zero rated? That is 0% VAT, but still fine. These are exported goods and services, right? Agricultural products, they are zero rated VAT. So don't assume. You need to always check if your service or your product is exempt or is zero rated. Right now, the biggest mistake business owners make with value added tax is not filing VAT at all. I did not make sales this month though. I did not charge VAT though, especially freelancers with the online tech brothers and sisters. Government is coming for us. Missing VAT money with your business cash, because they pay you that money is much, you are eating it. It's not your money. You have to vomit it and pay. So when it is not yours, you have to keep it separately. Whether or not you made sales, you must file your VAT each month by 21st, right? On before 21st of the following month. Even if it is zero or all your items are exempt from printer, you still need to file your nil VAT, okay? If you have registered but you don't file, penalties you pay penalty fee. You pay 50,000 naira for the first month of default, then 25,000 naira per month. That even when you are filing at nil, VAT just tell the government that your business is active and you are staying compliant. If you ever want to grow, access financing, you want to bid for contract, you want to request for TCC, tax client certificates, VAT filing is non-negotiable. Don't play with it. The law is not emotional. Law not the emotional, it is procedural. So all right, you can let us know if you need help in filing your VAT in 2026. Mark Corporate got you. I got you. Send me a DM. Don't forget to share these videos with your friend. If you missed any days, right, go back and watch it.